Have you ever wondered whether to use the GitHub Web interface or Git CLI to upload your files? Which method is best for your project and why should you care? In today's video, we are going to learn the difference of uploading through GitHub Web interface and Git CLI and how to upload files through Git CLI. Hi friends, my name is Rahul. Welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe the channel. So in the last video, we have learned about uploading a file in a repository using GitHub Web interface. But there are some disadvantages using this method of uploading. So we will go through the disadvantages. It is suitable only for uploading small project files. In this method, we are not performing any of the Git operations like committing, branching, or merging directly. So we won't have as much as control over the commit history or the commit message. Files are uploaded without going through a staging area. That means we are not reviewing the changes before committing. We cannot use the features like rebasing, interactive commits, or advanced branch management in this method. So these are the disadvantages of uploading through the GitHub Web interface. So today we will learn how to upload the files using Git CLI. We will install Git in our computer. Go to Google, search for Git. This page will open. Okay. You can click on download for Windows. Okay. You'll get the option to download the Git depending upon your PC configuration, 32-bit or 64-bit. You can download the Git and install the same in your PC. So first, we are going to create a new repository to which we will be uploading the files using the Git CLI. So new repository. So here I am giving the repository name. Okay, tutorial I'll give. And I'll give the description for teaching. Okay. I'll keep the repository as public. And I will not check this add a README file. We will upload the README file through the CLI. Create repository. Okay, the repository is being created. You can see the repository. And this is the link of my repository. And this we will be using in the CLI. So it is created inside my username, Rahul Raj RRK tutorial. Okay, now we will go to the CLI. So I'm opening the Git Bash. Okay, so this is the Git Bash and currently it is in this directory. So I want to change the directory to the folder in which my files are there. Okay, so this is the folder in which the files are there. Project file. Okay, this is, I'll show you. Okay, this is the project file PDF to Word and it is having only this particular file, Jupyter_notebook Python file. Okay. I'll copy the path. Right click, copy as path. I'll go to the, okay, I'll CD and path I will paste. So it will change the directory to now I will enter the command git in it, git init. So this is been initialized. Now git init, if you see the branch, the main branch, which is the default branch, it is master. Okay. So in Git, the default branch is master. Whereas if you come to the GitHub, I'll show you here in GitHub. I'll open the previous repository which has been created. Okay. I'm opening a repository. Here you can see the branch is main. So there the branch is master and here the branch is main. So we have to change that branch to main also before uploading. That we'll do it later. Okay. Now we will enter the next command. So we are creating the README file using this command. So in the README file, I'm writing hash PDF to Word. So this will be the message inside the README file. README.md. Okay. So this command will create the README file. You can see my folder. Now you can see the README file is there in my folder. It was not there before. And other than that one, you can see .git folder is also being created. Now, when you talk about .git, it is used to track the changes in the files in the directory. Okay. This is just a preparation stage actually. You can see all the details are available in this .git folder. So now these two things have been added, .git folder and readme.md file also. Go back. Okay, we'll go to the next command. Git add readme. We are adding the readme file to the repository. Okay, this is just a warning message. The next command is commit. So we are going to commit this readme file. So git commit hyphen small letter m, then the description you are giving. So I'm giving it as first commit. Whatever you want, you can give it actually. So I'm giving it as first commit. Okay, so it is being done. No issues. Okay. Now I'll change my branch, the default branch from master to main, because before uploading we have to change the branch from master to main. So git branch hyphen capital M main. So this will change the default branch to main from master. You can see now. See, now it has been changed to main. Now we will link the remote repository using the URL. Okay. Git remote add origin and URL. So you are linking the URL with origin. So URL will copy from the repository. Okay, this is the link. We'll copy that and paste. Okay. Now the next step is we are pushing the README file to the origin. So -u origin. Origin is the URL because we are already mapped. And in the branch, main branch. Okay, let's see. It's uploading. Yes. So our README file is uploaded in the Git repository. We'll check it. Okay, we'll come here. See, I will go to, I'll open tutorial again. See, the README file is created in our repository. With the message what we have given, you can see it is like first commit, one commit is done, and README. Okay, and the message what we have given, let me show you the message also. Message PDF to Word. This is what we have given the README file. So that is also there. So this is being uploaded in the Git repository. Okay. Now we will check the status of our particular folder. Let's see. So for that one, we'll use Git status. Okay. You can see your branch is up to date with the origin or main, but there are untracked files because we have not yet uploaded the Jupyter notebook. So that is why it is showing us untracked files. So our next step is to upload the Jupyter file also. Last time we have just done only the README file. Okay. We'll use git add dot. So git add dot will upload all the files. If you want to upload only a particular file, you can give the git add file name. So after adding, we will commit. So git commit -m, then the message. So here I am giving second commit. Okay, the commit is over. Now we have to push to the repository. We are uploading to the repository. So git push origin, that is our URL, and branch is main. So last time we have used -u also, but this time it is not required because that is only for the connection establishment only in the first step. The subsequent, it is not required. So we have done the, okay, see it has become successful. We'll go and check in the repository whether the file is uploaded or not. So you can see 3 stages are there. One is add, the second one is commit, and third one is the push. These are the 3 main steps. Okay, let's check in that repository. I will just go back and then open again. Okay, you can see the Jupyter notebook is uploaded successfully. 2 commits are there. Time, what is the message you have given, everything is there in this upload. So this is how. So you can see the branch is only one. That is main only. So it is successfully uploaded. So this is how we upload a file using CLI in Git. Thank you for staying connected. If you have any doubts or clarification required on the topics covered, please do comment in the comment box. We'll reply as soon as possible. Thank you.